Alright, welcome back. We are in Alaska, and today I'm going to be forging a fillet knife. This is going to be a Damascus pattern fillet knife. I don't know how many layers I'm going to do yet, as I most of the time never do know. But we're going to be using washing machine and bandsaw or sawmill blades. So yeah, I think I'm going to shoot for about 25 layers, maybe even 30. So yeah. Let's get going. Stay along. Alright, so this is the leftovers I already had, and I got 9 pieces out of this. So we're going to just copy this onto here and get 13. Okay. Now we can take and cut this off right here, and then mark out the lines on the washing machine metal. And then we can cut it all out. Now I can get the belt sander and start cleaning these all up. Okay, now it's time to cut them. Okay, let's weld this. Okay. now it's time to straighten the knife out. Okay, so we got this forged down to a good thickness, I think. And now it's time to start sanding. So we have a 60 grit belt, and we're gonna just start sanding. So it'll be a little while. Let's keep going. Okay, now it's time to quench the knife. So yeah, we're going to do thermocycling twice, which is heating the knife up to quench and then letting it cool down. We're gonna do that twice, and then we'll quench it and use motor oil. So let's get going. Okay, I'll see you guys after I temper the knife. Okay, so it's tempered and we're good. Now it's time to finish sanding this knife. Time to start hand sanding. And it's 29 degrees outside, so that's why I'm doing it inside. Okay, time to acid etch it. So we got ferric chloride here in our half-gallon jar. Here's the knife, sanded, hand sanded up to 400 grit. So yeah, we're just gonna dunk this in here. Ooh yeah. We're gonna let this go for about 5 minutes. Okay, now it's time to take it out and hand sand it, wet hand sand it. Okay, now it's time to hand sand it at 800 grit. Okay, now it's time for 1000 grit hand sanding. Okay, we're gonna do some engraving. Seven and a half inches. Overall, it is 13 inches long. But, yep. So it is a very nice size fillet knife. Perfect for everything, I guess. Yep, and it's nice and sharp, too. So, that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment what you guys would like to see. I'll see you guys next week, hopefully. Sorry this video was a week later, but I didn't have time to make this knife. See you guys next week, hopefully.